Hi guys, this is Kiki, owner of Pretty Paid Wellness. Yes, y'all, it's a new name that I am rebranding, y'all. I'll have that in a later video. But yes, we are Pretty Paid Wellness. Today's video is a self-care routine. I am getting acne from my for my cycle that's coming up, so get ready with me. I done put my hair back with 2 clips. Keep all the hair out my face. Just gonna wipe my whole face. Gonna wipe behind the ears. All right. Next thing. Let's see what Target has today. Okay. I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be right back. All right, we are back where we no longer need the water. So now I need a whole vlog where I just go get a whole skincare stuff. That vlog needs to be coming very soon, y'all. That's a lot of vlogs I want to do. I want to put y'all on what's going on. Air dry, air dry, air dry. After that, we're going to go in with our moisturizer. Gotta make sure the whole face is dry. So I'm gonna dry the areas that I feel is not dry. Okay. I wanna have a whole full skincare, y'all, to where it's not that quick. But mine is quick because I'm lacking the products. Okay, lacking the products. Alrighty, y'all. If it's like my morning